So on today's video, we're going to see how to add fields to a grid in Dynamics, and that is a pretty basic guide, really easy to do it. All you need to do is, first of all, go into the form that you want to add a column. So I'm going to add a column to all purchase orders, and I want to add the column created date and time. So on the grid part, you have to click on the header of the grid and then select add columns. It will then pop up this new screen where you have to find which column you want, or which field you want to create. You want to add, so create a date and time, and then you select, and you can multi-select if you want, and then insert. So what Dynamics will do is it will add the column at the end of the form. So it's fine, but if you want to move it, you can do that as well. So what you do is click again on that column, and then personalize, create date and time, and then personalize this form again. So then we'll show you some other tools that we can do, and for this specific video we're going to choose move. So what it does then is let me just, why is it okay, create a date and time. You then select the column again, and with your arrows with your arrow on your keyboard, you move it right or left. So you see now that there is this red bar, and then I'm moving it to the left, and let's say I want to place create a date and time column here between approval status and purchase order status. So to save it there, all you have to do is to press enter or the space bar on your keyboard again. So I'm going to do that, and then you see that create date and time is now at the position I wanted it to be. So that's it. So basically from here you just close it, and then you have everything set up.